I feel like catching 40 twins, being up all night in this elbow room that puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from the fumes I made. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows